Databox Analytics Pricing explained what you get for your money. Databox is a business analytics platform designed to track CPIs, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just a dashboard tool. Databox combines data integration, visualization, and reporting to help teams monitor performance in real time. Databox offers 3 main plans. The free plan allows up to 3 users, 3 data sources, and access to core reporting features. It's perfect for small teams testing analytics or tracking basic metrics. The starter plan starts at per month for 5 users. It includes unlimited dashboards, 10 data sources, and more advanced reporting features. Marketing and sales teams often use this plan to track campaigns, sales pipelines, and website performance in one place. The business plan begins at per month for 10 users. It adds unlimited data sources, custom metrics, advanced visualization, and data alerts. Large teams rely on this plan to consolidate multiple data streams and monitor CPIs efficiently. The surprising truth is that Databox integrations allow real-time reporting across more than 70 platforms, including CRMs, ad networks, and analytics tools. Businesses using Databox report faster decision-making and improved visibility across teams. In conclusion, Databox pricing scales with user count, data sources, and feature access. Understanding your data integration needs and reporting goals ensures you select the plan that delivers the most value. If your goal is to monitor CPIs, consolidate data, and drive actionable insights, Databox isn't just a dashboard, it's a full analytics platform that keeps your business performance on track.